In this video, we're going to discuss how to customize our ribbon. So if you're working with Excel or any other Office program, whether it's Word, PowerPoint, Access, Excel, Publisher, anything in the Office suite, you can customize the way your ribbon looks. Our ribbon is considered this area up here. We have our tabs on our ribbon. So in Excel, we have our default tabs. I have an extra one called Acrobat. This is because of a suite of programs that I have on my computer. But everyone should have File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, and possibly Developer. I'm going to go back to Home tab. And in each ribbon, you have groups. These are our command groups. So this one's a clipboard group. We have our font group, our alignment group, number group. They're separated by this faint gray vertical line. It's between some of the commands. And it just breaks apart the ribbon into different groups. They should be similar functions, similar commands in those groups. So the name should kind of say what leads you to understand what commands might be there. But what if we want to create our own tab? What if we don't like the way Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Office sets up our ribbon? We can create our own ribbons. We can take our own tabs. We can take tabs off. We can add our own groups. So let's figure out how to do that. We go to File. We go down to Options. We're going to go to Customize Ribbon. In an earlier video, we came to the same box and we did Quick Access Toolbar, and we customized our Quick Access Toolbar. In this video, we're going to customize the ribbon. This looks a lot like the window where we changed our Quick Access Toolbar, and it behaves pretty much the same way. So over here on the left, these are commands that we can add to items on the right. So on the right, you should see your main tabs. And there should be check marks. Check marks mean they're turned on. So like I said, I have this extra Acrobat tab. Maybe I don't like it. I can turn it off. I can deactivate it. Maybe I don't want the Developer tab on there. So I can take that off temporarily. But maybe I want to set up a tab, my own tab. I'm going to create my own tab, but first of all, I'm going to select one of the commands over here in my popular commands group. You can also go to all commands, but I'm going to stay on popular commands. And I'm going to do Format Painter. And over here, I want to click on New Tab down at the bottom. I'm going to select the name that says New Tab. It says New Tab Custom. And I'm going to rename it using the box down here, the button. And New Tab, I'm going to call it David's Tab. Click OK. And under here, there's a new group. And I'm going to rename that group. And I'm going to assign it a symbol, maybe a happy face. And the name of that group is going to be called Copy and Paste. I'm going to click OK. So in David's tab, we have Copy and Paste. Now I'm going to select the Copy and Paste group that I created. And I'm going to hit Add. Format Painter shows up. I'm going to go back to Cut. I'm going to add that. I'm going to go to Copy. I'm going to add that. What other commands would be in a Copy and Paste group? See if we see any. I think that's all I'm going to put for now. And then all we have to do is click OK. And on your ribbon, you should now see your tab. Mine says David's tab. If I click there, I see a copy and paste group. And I see Format Painter, Cut, and Copy. We should probably add paste. So I'm going to go back, File, Options, Customize Ribbon, Copy and Paste Group, and go to Paste. See if Paste is here. Yep. Paste, Add. Oh, no, Paste Special. We could do that one also. They have another one that's Paste. I don't know. It's got a little arrow. I'm not exactly sure what that one is, what the difference is, without trying them. So let's hit OK. And now we have a whole bunch, we have several more paste features, more features in our copy and paste group. And that's my custom tab. And my other ones have gone away. Acrobat no longer shows and Developer no longer shows. Hope that helps.